All right, and now I'm going to start taking the flooring out of this house. Now the flooring in this is done in a very strange way because each level of this house, like each story, has different things going on, and the flooring is made of different materials. And these two rooms had like cardboard. I think some of them had cardboard under the flooring. So I'm not sure if that was something that was supposed to make it stick better or something. I have no idea. But I did have to go and get a pair of pliers to try to pull this up because I pulled it up and then it just started sticking once I got to the cardboard. And I was trying to keep it in one piece. Oh well, I wanted to keep it in one piece to make a template, but sometimes it didn't work out that way. But see, this is the cardboard. That first layer that I just ripped off was paper. Well, it's kind of like a vinyl paper. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but it was rippable, obviously. And then the cardboard, I had to get in with a pair of little pliers and just try to work that up. And this was really stuck to the wood. And I could get it up. It came up relatively easily. I think I was able to get this piece off in one section, but I'm not sure why they did this. And I guess it might have been just to stick the paper to the cardboard better. Or it could be that it was wired because it did have the copper wiring. So if you know why if you know why this was done this way, leave a comment and let me know. I'm not sure with the copper wiring if you have to put that against the base of the board of the house or if you have to put it under the flooring. I'm not sure how that works. It could be that the cardboard was the original flooring and they had something else on there. I have no idea. But I was able to pull this up in pretty much a single piece, the cardboard part of it at least, not the paper. And there, see, that's where I knocked it off the little rack. Push it back up there. But I got this up and I wanted to try to keep it in one piece so I could make a template for future reference. So that way I wouldn't have to go in and cut out a pattern that would fit the floor because I would already have one. And I was just breaking pieces of the trim and everything off left and right, but that's okay because it's all going to get replaced anyway. All right, so I got this piece out pretty much in one section, and see how the cardboard is taped together. So somebody went in and added this to it later, but you see there is copper tape there on the floor. You can see that. And at the time that I was doing this, I didn't know what that was for, but it could be that you have to put the copper tape under the cardboard. I have no idea. I'll have to look into that. But anyway, so I got this first floor done. And then I moved on to the next one. And some of these were, this is just to show how thick this was. This was cardboard with wood parquet on top of it. So it was really unlevel. And, the whole house is just weird. I'm not sure why they constructed it the way that they did. And I'm sure it's been decorated multiple times over the years because it seems like it's pretty old. And some of the wallpaper that I was taking off that was original to the house, or it looks like it was the original wallpaper, is very mid-century modern. Some of the colors it just looks like late 50s, early 60s to me, color-wise, if that makes sense. And I'm actually going to do a printable of one of the original wallpapers, which I thought was really cute. I kind of recreated it and put it in Photoshop, and I've made a download of that. So if you want to get that, you can use the link in the description, and I will add that to the blog article that I'm going to write about this process. And you can get a piece of that little wallpaper and print it out and use it for yourself because it is kind of cute. It's like little pink water lilies. And I'm going to write an article about this and put it on the blog so you'll be able to see it there. But you can go to that link and download it for yourself. Now this was sticking. I think that this section came up pretty well, but it was stuck and the molding was starting to break. So this was stuck a little bit harder. And then this one on the left, on the right, I'm sorry, I believe that, if I remember correctly, it was really hard to get that out. And see, I did take out the stairway when I did the wallpaper, because that was it was kind of being held in place by the molding that was attached to the wallpaper. So it wasn't the sturdiest of stairways, but that's okay because nobody was going up and down it. It was fine. And this is the floor that I had trouble getting up because I think that I did start to, I'm peeling it up, and I think that this one was on cardboard too. Yeah, the one in the middle, I don't think that one was on cardboard. Some of them were and some of them weren't. And this one wasn't, or this one was, and the cardboard is really stuck. So let me know if I need to take that up, because if I don't, I think I might just leave it. So leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I will decide what I'm going to do in the next video.